right.
Not scary.
Did you hear what I said? Please look under my bed. I think there are monsters there, and I heard them. And what they said, they go boom, 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 cha, 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 ooh, 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 yeah, 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 boom, 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 cha, 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 ooh, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Did you hear what I said? I think I'll look under my bed, but first I'll bring my teddy bear. I need someone, I'm a little scared. Boom, 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 cha, 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 ooh, 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 yeah, 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 boom, 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 cha, 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 ooh, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. I heard.
Is there a monster in my closet? Is there a monster in my bed? Boom, cha, ooh, yeah, scuba dooba loo, yeah. What's that sound running through my head?
I heard.
Looking up, looking down. Said I'm looking all around. Boom, cha, ooh, yeah, scuba dooba loo, yeah. What's that sound running through my head?
Uh-oh, my night lights out. There are silly, silly shadows and they're dancing about. To see them slide on my wall from the left to the right. Then they kick 2 times, it's a party tonight. Next they wiggle their hips, get low to the ground. Now they're bobbling and wobbling their heads all around. Keep that chit-chattering, knocking their knees. No such thing as monsters, it's hard to believe. I heard boom, 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 cha-cha-cha, ooh, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, 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 cha-cha-cha, ooh, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. I heard. Did you hear what I said? It's just my sister under the bed. She's making monster noises there. And we laugh, yes we laugh, it was all in my head. I heard. Cha-cha-cha, you heard. Yeah, 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 we heard.
Congratulations, Knit-Knots. Because you didn't get scared in the not too scary room, we'd like to give you this can of delicious peanuts. Yikes! Oh. Was that supposed to be scary?
So there's really nothing in the not too scary room that frightens you.
Hiccup once for yes, twice for no. What does 3 hiccups mean?
It means we need to think of another idea.
Are you movers out of ideas yet? Not even close. I just had another one.
Movers, huddle up. Huh? I think I know how to solve our idea emergency, but I don't want Knit-Knots to hear.